You're watching the Weiss channel. All right, today we're gonna continue with triangle similarity, but we're gonna solve for x this time. Ooh, okay. Now, you already know. By the way, all of these in today's problems, all of the pairs of triangles are similar. Okay. So we've done this part already. We've said, all right, 48 over 4x, 48 over 4x equals 48 over 56. 48 over 56. Okay? So, hopefully, as you remember, we did this last week. I asked you to multiply. Remember this times this divided by this? I want you to take 48 times 56, cross multiply. 48 times 56 divided by 48 equals 56. So you get 4x equals 56. What do you do to both sides? Divide by 4. And when you take 56 and divide by 4 on your calculator, you will get 14. That's how you do it, okay? Now, unfortunately, it can get a little complicated because here, all right, over here the triangles were nicely set up next to each other. Are they always going to be nicely set up next to each other? No. But it's going to tell you here, triangle QRS is similar to triangle QUV. All right? So here's what you have to do. I'm going to do 5x over what? Well, 5x corresponds with what? This is QU. 5x is QU, right? And QU corresponds with what over here? QR. Okay, so 5x corresponds with 50. Okay, so I'm going to put 14 over 35. And 14 is VQ, so I have to, 14 corresponds with SQ, right? Okay? So now, I want you to cross multiply. 14 times 50 divided by 35. 14 times 50 divided by 35 equals 20. So you get 5x equals 20, divide by 5, x equals 4. Okay? Easy. Same thing over here. I'm going to start with the x. 15x minus 1. 15x minus 1 corresponds with what? Well, let's take a look, okay? 15x minus 1 is EG, or GE. GE is going to correspond with what? US, right? What's US? 40, right? So it's going to be 15x minus 1 over 40. And then it's going to be 143 is GF. So that's going to correspond with UT. So 143 over 55. Once again, we're going to cross multiply. 40 times 143 divided by 55 gives you 104. So 15x minus 1 equals 104. Add 1 to both sides, and you get 15x equals 105. Divide by 15. You get 7. Okay? Let's take a look at one more. Over here, I'm going to start with the x again. The x expression is 11x minus 13. 11x minus 13 over what? Well, 11x minus 13 is EG. What does EG correspond with? ED. What's ED? 60. Right? So now we're going to do 156. 156 is EF, and EF corresponds with what? Oh, sorry, this is a C, my fault. Sorry about that. EC, right? So EC is 72. We're going to cross multiply again. 156 times 60 divided by 72 equals 130. Yes, unfortunately, during my class, I have a lot of disrespectful people. I am sorry about that, so please bear with me. So you've got 11x minus 13 equals 130. Add 13 to both sides. 11x equals 143. Divide by 11. You should get, I believe, 13. 13. And that's how it works. You've been watching the Weiss channel. Da 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 da.